If you say action. So here we are at the end of the 86th annual Black Hills Motorcycle Rally. I think from the Friday that the rally started, the official rally on August 7th, this is the final bike we completed. It's 153 motorcycles over the last 9 days. This one was just an oil change, so nothing dramatic. We've made it a tradition every year that the final bike, the last one to get worked on, we give the customer a Deadwood Custom Cycles hat, and we just kind of let him know that, you know, he can hold on to that forever, that he was the final bike worked on at Deadwood Custom Cycles during the that year's rally.
What happens next?
Well, we get it down. It's all done. We get it down, and we wait till the customer gets here so we can get them on back on the road, like we've done 152 other times. You really can't argue with Harley Davidson. Does do a pretty good job with paint, I think. There he is. Good, how are you?
Doing great.
The last one, we always give the last person a Deadwood Custom Cycles hat.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you wouldn't. So, as promised, everybody, we told you that every year we kind of do this thing where the final bike of the rally, right? And we kind of go into a rally mode. We're open extended hours during the rally. And the last bike is kind of a big deal, right? It's kind of that last little Mount Everest, and we get it done. And we just like to let the customer know that they are our final bike. We did 153 motorcycles in the last 9 days of one thing or another. Wow. This is my friend Eric, also known as Navigator,
with the
Buffalo Soldiers.
Yes,
yep,
sir.
Yep. And we present the last customer with a hat as a way that he can remember that he was always, you know, our final customer of the rally.
Very honored.
And you know, he was walking by and he needed an oil change. He saw the door open, and little did he know.
I caught it by 6 minutes.
That's right.
6 minutes.
Yeah. Little did he know that he was going to have this honor of being the final bike. So
I've been coming to Sturgis for this is my 11th year.
Oh wow!
Back and forth in and out of Deadwood, and I've heard a lot of good things about you guys. A friend of mine that lives here said, "Hey man, if you're gonna get service, this is the place to come." So I had a few places to go. I chose to come here. Man.
We appreciate that. Yeah, we appreciate
you guys
that
for everything you guys do. For
well,
us.
you got a beautiful bike.
Thanks so much.
Oil and filter's been changed, and it's at the appropriate level for M8, 2 dots down, where everybody says it's supposed to be.
Yes, sir.
Your excess oil, because I can't sell you half a quart. Your excess oil is in your saddlebag right here.
Thank you.
Always good to travel with a little bit of oil, right?
Yes,
So
yes.
That's it. You ready for another?
Thank you again.
2,500, 3,000 miles?
Yes, sir. Yes,
right.
sir.
There he is, the Navigator, our final customer of the 2026 rally. And we're glad it's over.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much again, man.
You got it, man. Yeah, you got it. It's a rough couple weeks, you know what I mean? We do 9 a.m. until the last bike every day. A couple nights we got out here at 1 a.m., turn right back around, do it again at 9 a.m. It's just yeah. And I kind of run this place like a military unit, and so everybody everybody knows it. Yeah, she gets it. Are you crying?
I am. It was a lot of work, and it was so awesome. And yes, I'm the emotional one. I am. I'm just so proud. Like, we worked well together, and there was hugs, high fives, curse words, a lot of happy customers. You know, it was awesome. And I'm happy it's done. I'm gonna take a nap.
I also noticed that as I came through, there was some kids here, and she's like, "Hey, here's some cups, some nostalgic cups from 2012, I think." And she was like making the kids happy. So it's like a family deal here.
It really is.
Includes everybody. So that's what's cool. That's what we want to be a part of.
Yeah.
This family.
And you know, for us, it's always going to still be about the motorcycles. You know what I mean? You start trying to chase the money, or trying to make all the money. That's like, we don't raise our prices for rally. We don't mark up our labor. We don't change the prices of parts. You know, you call me in February, we're going to answer the phone. We're brick and mortar. The prices are the same. You know what I mean? It's just in Deadwood, we call the visitors, we don't call them tourists, we call them guests. You know, and we love our guests. You know what I mean? We want you to come back. You know what I mean? And heaven forbid you catch, you know, somebody working in Deadwood treat a guest poorly. Right. The other folks will be all over them.
And to be honest with you, man, this is my first year not staying on the campground.
Okay.
And I actually stayed here in Deadwood, man. And what an experience, bro. You know, like everything's in walking distance.
Yeah.
Everybody's happy to see you.
Yeah.
The food down there at Bodega was awesome.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah,
like,
it's good.
Like, it's really good food. It's not like carnival food, you know,
right.
that you get
yeah.
out on the street. So it was a really good experience, you know. I thought, oh, it's going to be boring. But no, not at all.
No, Deadwood's, and we're busy year round. You know, I mean, we get 3.5 million guests come through Deadwood a year. Town of 1,200 people, you know. But I mean, it's the best of both worlds because you get that hometown, small town feel, you know, on a Tuesday when there's nobody around. You get the experience that, but then on Friday and Saturday, you know, you got 15,000 of your closest friends.
That's good. Well, I'm happy to be in that family now, and you know, I'm always going to recommend you guys. You know, like I said earlier, there's a lot of places anybody can go.
Yeah.
But to go somewhere that they're going to take care of you, know that you're not just a number, that they're actually doing it because they want you to come back.
Yeah.
You know, that means a lot to us that rides. You know, less than a year, I got 30,000 miles.
Well, I know the organization you're with, and you guys ride. You guys put on some serious miles. I see them everywhere.
Yeah.
I see y'all everywhere. You know, I mean, you definitely rack up some miles.
We try to be a good representation for the culture, you know, and we try to just do what's right, you know.
That's right.
So I don't think we have a lot of people that's against us. We'll have a lot of people that's for us.
Yeah.
That's enlightening, you know. And when you come through and people say, "Hey, I know what you're about," and don't even know who I am,
Yep.
and then say, "Yeah, come on, you know, hang out with us." That's pretty cool.
Yeah, good deal.
Experiences. Hey, I want to sign off with Deadwood Custom Cycles. They did an amazing job on my bike. They got me in. An amazing Sturgis this year. Thank you for everything you've done.
Like and subscribe if you know what's good for you.